Today we discuss the series question which is asked in JMI Masters Entrance Exam. So the question is the set of all positive values of A for which the series summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 upon n minus tan inverse 1 upon a 1 upon n whole power a converges is. So we find out the value of a. So in which interval a belongs to. So now go to our solution. Let the series summation an equal to, let the series sorry so we have given that the series summation an equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 upon n minus tan inverse 1 upon n whole power a. अब now let Vn equal to sequence Vn equal to 1 upon n minus tan inverse 1 upon n. Now expand the tan inverse 1 by n with the help of the series tan inverse x. So tan inverse x equal to tan inverse x equal to x minus x cube by 3. Expansion of tan inverse x equal to x minus x cube by 3 plus x to the power 5 by 5 minus x to the power 7 by 7 plus dot dot dot. So by the help of this expansion, here tan inverse 1 by n, we expand the series of tan inverse 1 by n. So Vn equal to 1 by n minus 1 by n minus 1 by n whole to the power 3 by 3 plus 1 upon n whole to the power 5 by 5 minus 1 upon n whole to the power 7 by 7 plus dot dot dot. Here Vn equal to, here 1 by n to 1 by n cancel out. So we get Vn equal to 1 upon 3 n cube minus 1 upon 5 n power 5 plus 1 upon 7 n power 7 minus dot dot dot. Here the highest degree of Vn is minus 3 n to the power minus 3. So we let un equal to 1 upon n cube. Why? Because by the help of this function we easily apply the limit form test, and by limit form test we easily evaluate the convergency of the series. So un equal to 1 upon n cube. Now limit n tends to infinity Vn upon un equal to this, and with for solving all we get limit n tends to infinity Vn upon un equal to 1 by 3, which is a non-zero number. So by the limit form test, चूँकि summation un, series summation un equal to summation 1 upon n cube is convergent, that's why the series summation Vn equal to 1 upon 3 n cube minus 1 upon 5 n power 5 plus 1 upon 7 n power 7 minus dot 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 is also convergent. So the series summation Vn equal to 1 upon n minus tan inverse 1 by n is also convergent. So now we go to the given series. Summation an, that is summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 upon n minus tan inverse 1 by n whole power a, that is of summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 upon 3 n cube minus 1 upon 5 n power 5 plus 1 upon 7 n power 7 minus dot 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 whole power a. चूँकि here the highest power of this series is minus 3. So if we put a equal to 1 by 3, a equal to 1 by 3, and we open this series, and we open this series, then the degree of highest term, then the highest degree of the term is n to the power minus 1, is n to the power minus 1, that is of 1 upon n. Or this summation 1 upon n makes the whole series divergent, That's why we only take the value of a greater than 1 by 3, because when we put any number a greater than 1 by 3, then the whole series is convergent. Because the highest degree of the term we get greater than minus 1, right? Greater than minus 1. So the given series summation an is convergent for all a greater than 1 by 3. It implies a belongs to 1 by 3 comma infinity. So we go to our options. So here open interval 1 by 3 infinity in option D. So the right option is option D. Thank you.